This is how much money I've got last week with the help of this strategy, and anyone can do it, guys. Anyone can do this. Just follow the steps and repeat them, okay? Also, hit that subscribe button and let's go and do it. First of all, we're going to use this website, which is called Cpagrip.com, and it's an awesome website. I made a lot of money here, guys. I have showed this around many times, and I know how good it is, okay? So CPA stands for cost per action. So this means whenever someone does certain action, you get paid for it, okay? And you get paid a lot of money. So this website offers you the opportunity to just get people to do something. For example, enter their email address, and that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to get money on this website. So first of all, go and register over here and just complete this simple information about yourself. But this is really important, guys. You have to select this publisher type, okay? You have to select GPT because this stands for get paid to, okay? That's the kind of offers that we're gonna pursue. So make yourself an account and let's go and grab this money, guys. So I have a laid out strategy and it's gonna be shown in this video step by step. So first of all, make yourself an account and this is your dashboard in front of you, okay? First of all, what you can see is this chat window, okay? And here people are chatting. You can get some advice here, you can get valuable information, and you can see from this system bot that certain people make a lot of money, guys. Just take a look at these numbers. It's an awesome number. Maybe this chaotic one is the best one. You can see that he has a lot of these so-called leads and he made a lot of money. And now is the time for you to make that same money, okay? That same money can be yours. So first of all, this is gonna consist of two ways of income, okay? And they're gonna be connected, okay? They're gonna be connected and both of them are gonna get you that money, okay? So what you have to do and start, and you have to go on offer tools and click on my offers. Now in here you can see that you have a lot of these offers. For example, these are all for United States, but you have a lot of these countries. You can do this in your own country if you want, but the thing is not that. Just take a look at this. For example, for this one, I don't know, maybe this grab 750 PayPal gift card. All that people have to do are enter their email address. These email zip submits are really easy to do, and for each one of those you get $2, okay? So whenever someone enters their email address, you get that money, okay? And email address is all that it takes because people don't need to spend money. There's going to be a lot of attendees, okay? A lot of people are going to just enter that email because they have a chance to get that PayPal gift card of $750. So some of them are going to win that gift card, but you are getting $2 for each one of those submits, okay? $2, guys. Don't think that it's low amount of money. Just imagine, guys, if maybe 500,000 people click on it and they make it, that's $1 million for you. If 100 people click on it, that's $200 for you, and so on. But I'm gonna show you something today which is gonna make you double income, okay? So what I want you to do is to click here and just type in Italy, okay? So in Italy, there are a lot of these offers as well. You can see a lot of these offers, and for example, you can choose whichever one you want, okay? But just make sure that it is email zip submits, okay? So for example, this is a good offer. This is 150 euros gift card for IKEA. You know what IKEA is? Well, that's what you want to do. So now you just have to go and grab this link. Next on, what you have to do is you have to go on easylinks.com, where you can see that you can shorten your long links and make a lot of money on it, guys. And it is true. It is just 3 steps. You will just create an account, you will shorten your link, and you will get that money. And there's a lot of money. If you click on payout rates, you will see in here, guys, that for each one of these countries, the payout is differentiated. So for example, for Iceland, you get $14. For the United Kingdom and United States, you get $7. And just take a look for Italy. It is 6.4. It is a little bit less. And of course, from Greenland, it is just impossible to get those. Maybe some bears, polar bears can watch your links. But this one from Italy is what I suggest, okay? So you can just take this links because we have took this offer, which is available on Italy baseline, okay? So you have to use those links. And now what you have to do is you just have to shorten shorten that link. You will get a shortened link and you will get paid out, okay? So you will get $6.4 for each 1,000 clicks. And just take a look at this. If you go on payment proof, you will see that a lot of people are withdrawing a lot of money, guys. A lot of those guys are making money. Just take a look at this, guys. $7.50, guys. It's a really, really good amount of money. And if you like this strategy, guys, go and hit that subscribe button right now. Thank you. So in order to make this money, guys, we need now to find that traffic. And I suggest that you go over to trafficadbar.com, where you can find a lot of free traffic from any country that you want, okay? So you will just sign up and then you will just choose the country from which you want to get that traffic, okay? It is that simple, guys. You will just get this offer, and of course, once you finish with Italy, you can do it from all of these other countries, okay? Then you're gonna shorten those links, and then you're gonna go on countries which are listed in here. So I suggest Italy, Spain, New Zealand, Japan, Canada, United States, and United Kingdom. Just do these, okay? These down here you can do, but you don't have to. This is going to be enough money for you. And then you will get money from these offers, for example, $1.45 for each one of those clicks. And of course, you will get money for those initial clicks. So it's two ways of income, two income streams, and that's how you maximize your profits, guys. That is the strategy. But of course, you can promote this link on any other website which has a lot of traffic, right? You can as well use Pinterest.com, and it's a nice option. If you click on Pinterest, you will have a lot of these pins and they get a lot of traffic as well. Just take a look at this. For example, this guy is already doing it, as you can see, with some PayPal gift cards, and this one is available for US members. And the reason why I show you Pinterest is that if you go on similar web, you will see that Pinterest.com has 1 billion total visits each month, and that is the reason why I show you this, okay? 1 billion people each month, and it is growing each month, and a lot of people are coming from the United States, and that is the exact reason why I'm showing you this, okay? It's a good traffic on this website, so you can just use it to your own advantage. You can make a lot of money. As you can see, people are already doing that, guys. People already get money like that, so all that you have to do is you have to make a pin. Click on plus, click on pin, and make yourself a pin. Just add a picture. You can add that picture from online. Just type in PayPal gift card or whatever your pin is about, and then just add your title, and of course add a destination link, which is of course this link which you're gonna get on those links, okay, on those offers. And you can of course just do that from the United States if you want to get those PayPal gift cards. Those are really good. You can get $2 for each one of those, and of course $7 if you get those clicks from the United States, as you can see in here. So what I suggest, just take that action, guys, and I'll catch you later.